Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Hostelworld. So let me take you to the website, which is hostelworld.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Hostelworld is the world's leading social travel platform, connecting travelers with affordable stays and a global community. Beyond offering verified reviews for 16,000 plus hostels and budget accommodations, the platform features a dedicated social pass that allows solo travelers to meet and join local events regardless of their sleep. With Hostelworld, they are not just booking a bed, they're joining a network designed to turn solo trips into social adventures. So what you're waiting for? Come to the website, explore all about them, and if you want to book yourself an adventure by going to a trip and probably in need of a hostel, go ahead and do that. The website is for you. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Hostelworld. Can we do that? As usual, we definitely can. We simply have to join the affiliate program of Hostelworld and start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic. And when we bring sales to them, we will end up receiving commission. So affiliates from which country can join the affiliate program, and to the consumers of which country can they promote in order to receive commission? No restrictions found. Regardless of your country or your consumer's country, so long as you're bringing the valid sales to Hostelworld, you will end up receiving commission. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, you can come to the website called travelpayouts.com. Now, what is travel payouts and what does that have to do with Hostel World? Travel Payouts is one of the top affiliate marketing network out there that specializes in travel related affiliate programs. Now, what is an affiliate marketing network? The work is a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you have to join the respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Hostel World, we must join Travel Payouts as an affiliate. So how do you join Travel Payouts as an affiliate? Simply click on Get Started from the top right hand side, which will take you to this page. Over here, enter your details, email address and password, click on Create Account, and then complete all the other details for your account to get created. Now, I understand there are many nuances involved when signing up with any affiliate marketing network out there, so don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Travel Payouts affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Simply click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself free Travel Payouts affiliate account. Once you have an account with them, you can come to their website once again. This time, click on Login. It will take you to the sign in page, enter your credential, and then it will take you to something called Affiliate Dashboard. This is a place where you would be able to find the affiliate program of different brands as well, and you can interact with them too. But we're going to keep the focus of our video just on the affiliate program of Hostelwall. To find the affiliate program, you can look at the left-hand side menu bar, come to the side, click on programs, and then click on all. When you do that, you will be able to see the search bar. Over here, start typing hostel, and you would be able to see the tile. Simply click on that tile, which will then take you to the affiliate program page. Over here, you can see the reward rate of 5 to 7%. That means whatever sale you bring to Hostelwall, you will end up receiving between 5 to 7% commission on that sale amount. And by the way, this is equals to 40% of the revenue that Hostelwall receives from the bookings. That's very generous. And if you scroll down, you would be able to see all the other details like the target countries are worldwide. We talked about it. Regardless of from where you bring the consumers to them, you would be able to receive commission so long as Hostel World provide the services to the consumer of that country and you're bringing the valid sales to them. And as you can see, allowed brand promotions method and channel. So they only allow content creators to join the affiliate program. These creators could have a website, social media, or video platform accounts. They're fine with that. And then if you scroll down, you can see paid search is not allowed. That is not possible, so avoid that as well. In case if you have any other question, you can always come to the top. You can click on ask a question and initiate a question for the travel payouts team or the hostel for affiliate program team to review and answer. Once you've read it all, and let's say you want to apply into their affiliate program, simply click on connect to program. It will open up this overlay window. From here, you can select your project, click on request to connect. And when you do that, you will see this overlay window ensure that your project meets the Hostel World program's criteria. Project is basically your online presence that you must have given while doing the sign up with travel payouts. So assuming it has all these things, then you can click on all good. In doing so, your application will be sent to them. As you can see, we received your program connection request. That means your application, and it could take up to 2 business days for them to review and give you the approval. And then you can click on all good, back to program. You will be taken back to the Hostel World affiliate program page. Now, let's say you waited for them for 2 days and you got the confirmation from them. You'll be notified via an email. And let's say you have been approved. Then what? Then you can again come to the affiliate dashboard. Again, look at the left hand side menu bar. This time, click on connected. Over here, you would be able to find all your approved brands affiliate program that you can explore. Next, you can start promoting Hostel World. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from their website. Let's say you want to promote this web page. You have to use or you have to create tracking link. To create your tracking or rather the affiliate link, simply copy the web page URL of any web page from Hostel World, come to your travel payouts account once again, and on the home page, if you look at the top right hand side, you can click on create link, and assuming you have been approved by Hostel World, within program you can start typing Hostel World, and once you have found them, once you've selected them, you can simply put your link in here. So this is the link that I copied from there, and then it will create a tracking link for me, which I can then copy. And if I'm going to share it with my audience, with my traffic, as you can see, this is my tracking link. It will work. And when your audience, your traffic make the sales on Hostel World website, you will end up receiving commission. In my case, it did not work because I'm still waiting for them to review and approve my application. But assuming if they approve my application, this tracking link would start working. And let's say you don't want to create your tracking link, but rather you want to use the existing tracking links. For that, again, you look at the left hand side menu bar. This time, click on Tools. And once you have clicked on it, within links, try to see if there are any available links from Hostel World. You can also click on Widget, and then you can click on within all branch, just start typing Hostel World to see if they provide any widget. And indeed, they do. So once you have been approved, you would be able to utilize or use that widget. You can directly integrate it on your website. So this way, when user would come to your website, they would be able to see this hostels that they can search through. So this is a great widget to have. Like this, you can either create your own tracking link. You can come to links to find the available links, or you can come to widget and utilize this Hostel World widget as well. Next question arises, where can you promote Hostel World? There are many ways, but still I'm gonna cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you have been approved, you can promote them basically anywhere on your website that you feel is more suited for your audience. It could be a specific section of your website, maybe within the menu bar, a subsection, whatever you feel like, or wherever you feel like is more suited for your audience, go ahead and do that. Second way is blog. Blog could be amazing here because you could write different blog posts about different places, different hostels, and put your tracking link somewhere within the blog post. This way, when people would read, they like it, they click on it, and if they end up paying or end up buying something on a Hostel World website, you end up getting commission. Third way is social media. Social media could be great here because you could create contents like video, reels, posts, and put your tracking links somewhere within the comment section or the description section. This way, when people would consume your creatives that you have created, and if they like it, they'll click on the tracking link, it will work in your favor. Fourth way, which I feel like is best suited here, is a travel and tourism website. Let's say you, as an affiliate, have travel and tourism website. It could work in your favor as well. And I feel like this would be the best suited website type here for Hostel World, because on this kind of website, maybe you create a section, let's say just call it hostel. So when people would come to your website, click on hostel, and then you might want to feature Hostel World there, or some tracking links from Hostel World. And on top of that, you might also want to feature that widget we looked at. So this is how you can promote Hostel World on your travel and tourism website. There are other ways as well as you see fit. Alright, so these are some of the ways you can promote Hostel World. Next question rise. Where can you see the performance? Let's say you started bringing sales to them. There should be a place to see the performance, correct? For that, you can come to the travel payouts affiliate dashboard once again. Over here, you can use today, yesterday, this month, last month, and you will be able to see your earnings, clicks, bookings, and all the other details. To have detailed view of it, you can again look at the left hand side menu bar and this time click on reports. In doing so, you can click on performance, you can apply these filters, and you will be able to see the details accordingly, of course, your performance. You can also click on bookings to see the bookings, basically the sales that your users or traffics have made. And all accumulated commission you will be able to see on the top left hand side within the balance section. And how would you receive this commission? For that, you have to set up your payment method. And to set up your payment method, you can click on finance, and within finance, you can go to payout methods. And once here, you can select your country of residence. I'm going to go with India. And once you selected your country of residence, you will get the payment method accordingly. So for India, I got PayPal, web money, bank account USD, and bank account Euro. So whatever payment method you get for your country, you can click on respective add to update the payment method accordingly. You would also be able to see the minimum payout depending on the payment method you choose. So keep that in mind too. PayPal is the best suited payment method, I'll say, for any affiliate marketing network. So go with the one that you prefer and it's available to your location. Let's say you want to add PayPal and you see PayPal as an option for you. Simply click on add and update or give your PayPal related details. Like this, you can also click on any other payment method and give the payment methods details accordingly. And you can also come to the left hand side, click on balance breakdown to see the breakdown of your balance, basically the breakdown of your commission. Click on payout history to see any payment that has ever been issued to you in the past, so that will be a quick reference for you. So this is how you can update your payment method and expect to receive commission from travel payouts for the sales you have brought to Hostelworld. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Hostelworld. You apply to them, you get approval, you start promoting them, start bringing sales to them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Hostelworld. And as an affiliate, if you want to grow, if you want to learn better, there are some amazing resources that I have created for you. They are free as well as premium resources. You'll find them in the video description. Choose any that you prefer. Also, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.